So back here at the 1630 Columbia Road, looking at one of the Oriel windows, or actually two of the Oriel windows here on our project. We're actually in the courtyard right now, which is not on the street fronting road, but the Oriels were designed to not only allow light into the project, but also to deal with code encroachments over the property line. So there's a very complicated equation that's in the code as to how big your encroachment can be over the property line without actually being a projection that needs to be approved. And so the size of these Oriel windows are 30 inches at their deepest point and 11 foot wide. And the overall square footage of that projection fits within the equation of the code. I'm not going to bother to bore you with the equation that's actually required there, but this meets exactly within that code requirement. It has to do with the length of the frontage on the building and a lot of other factors, but this is as much as we can go over the property line without getting special approval for those projections. But these Oriels have been a really fascinating part of the project, and that they come up, they allow light. We had to provide this very tight roof onto it, and then come together at different angles. So I'm going to take this and turn it slightly to show you that the Oriels come together at very strange angles. We've got an oblique that's coming out there at the bottom, which then comes into the top of the adjacent one in the roof, which then has to hit the joint and go over into the window. So backing out, we've got this flat facade that's got two different angles at either point of the Oriel coming together. So we took this fascinating line in the code to try and avoid encroachments on the project and turn it into a design factor